Select Freight Forwarding to access related options and expand the menu for detailed functions. Select Finance FF from the menu to manage financial forwarding tasks. Enter keyword to search within the menu or available forms. Click on the Invoice FF option to access the invoice module. Click the plus icon to add a new item to the list. Click the S button to set the booking status. Click on Select next to the desired booking number to choose a booking from the list. Choose the Mandiri Testing Mandiri XXX123435 option from the drop-down list. Click the Get Revenue Details from Job button to retrieve revenue data. Select the Edit option to modify charge name and description for each line item. Verify quantities, rates, and amounts to ensure accuracy. Select Apply Tax to All to implement tax settings across all listed items in the invoice. Click Update Cancel to modify or revoke the selected action in the list. Ensure the correct item is checked before proceeding. Identify the total invoice amount, which is 900,000 Darrow, displayed prominently within the interface. Examine the tax invoice amount of 9,900 Zillow to ensure accuracy. Verify this value corresponds with the expected tax calculations on the invoice. Verify the net invoice amount as 909,900 under the Net Inv section. Click the floppy disk icon to save the invoice details. Select Yes to confirm saving the record. Select No to stop editing without saving changes. Verify the current status of the invoice as draft to ensure it's not finalized before proceeding. Click Issue Invoice to proceed with generating the invoice for the current order. Verify that the invoice status is marked as issued for processing completion. Find invoice number INDTJAKT through NVOCC 26FF and status issued.